Sawadee, hello everybody. มื้อนี้I gonna make some pho again. Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, all like to eat pho. Okay. Today I gonna make pho, but Laos and Vietnamese they do little bit tiny different, but pretty much the soup is same thing. But today I gonna make my Lao pho they put a lot of stuff in ingredient. But I like to eat simple like Vietnamese style because I don't like to add a lot of stuff when I make pho. But today I'm gonna show you again. A lot of people request me how to make pho again. I have 2-3 video already, but they want me to do again. Today I'm gonna make some beef pho, and I'm gonna show you all my ingredient and step by step. Okay, you guys need to stay with me if you wanna know how to make soup. Okay, the first thing I have cow bone. I bought this and 2 bags. Now I boil the hot water. I gonna clean this. ก่อนอื่นกะสิเฮ็ดเฟอร์กะมาต้มมาล้างกระดูกก่อนเนาะแต่clean the bone first before you make a soup. Okay. Clean with the hot water about 2 or 3 minutes.กระดูกก็มีแต่กระดูกแท้ๆได้พี่น้อง only bone only really expensive. Look, it's okay, just make a soup for this. Okay, about 2 to 3 minutes and take it out. Okay, take it out, then go clean with the cold water. Okay, with the cold water again. Okay, make the yucky thing it came out. Okay guys, I'm gonna add this to the pot soup. Okay, the water is boiling and add some cow bone. Alright guys, I'm gonna boil about hour, and I'm gonna add some seasoning. Okay, ginger, celery, onion, some carrot. This time I add some carrot, sweet carrot. Okay guys, and this one is the cinnamon stick and the spice I'm gonna add to the hot soup, and 2 tablespoons of salt and little bit MSG and chicken flavor. You guys, it make the soup more flavor. I add all this seasoning. Okay, and stuff here. Alright guys, I'm gonna put to the pot soup right now. Okay, let me check the pot. If you see a lot of fat, you can take it out. Okay, you don't need to save the fat thing. Okay, and I'll take it out a little bit. I'm gonna add to the bag because I don't want all this seasoning all over in my soup. That's why I put in the bag. You can find in the Asian market. Okay, and cinnamon stick, and I put in here too. See, like this. Tight good. Okay guys, tight really good. If you don't tight good, the seed gonna come out all over in your soup like this. Okay, the MSG. Okay, I have to have a little bit MSG. Salt, and this one is chicken flavor. Add to the pot soup the same as well, and all the stuff in here I'm gonna add to the pot too. The onion, ginger, this one carrot. Okay, the cinnamon stick I'm gonna add to the bag too. Carrot, celery. You know, when I make pho, I like to my soup have more flavor. And after that, I'm gonna leave here maybe 2 more hours. Look at it, like about 40 minutes after I add all the seasoning. And after that, I'm gonna add this bag to the pot soup. I'm gonna choke in here about maybe about hour, and I'm gonna take it out. Okay, guys. I'm gonna continue to boil about hour and a half. Oh, it's ready. Look at it. Yummy, you guys. Come join me. Oh, it's ready. I boiled it 3 hours and a half. I add some meatball now. For today, I gonna add only meatball. If my son he wanna eat beef, I gonna slice some beef. But now nobody wanna eat yet. I gonna leave here until everybody wanna eat, and I gonna make some for them. Okay? This is the. Oh my God, you guys, so yummy. Make a pho for my son right now. I have to cook the noodle first. Not too long, okay? About a second. Done. And add to the bowl. Alright. The noodle. If you don't cook the noodle, it's too hard, you know. This is for my son. Come on, eat pho with me, everybody. Yummy. Come, come. เฟอกระดูกหางงัวเด้อพี่น้องมากินน้ำกัน